Liverpool now know they play too much attack.
Carabao Manchester United 7-0 for home today. Wetin be your thoughts around?
The team dey marvelous. As them play very well. And the team can be say if they succeed and qualify to the next round. I thank God for everything because it's not easy for Manchester United to come up like that after a poor start. Come up for the opening competition of Carabao Cup. They did well, and we thank God. As it be so, not be waiting we go carry for head. Sometimes it's not. Sometimes it's like that. Sometimes it may not be favor of you. We still give God the glory. As it they be now, so they used to be sha. When it comes to be your own son, it's your own son. If you don't be the other person turn, the other person turn. As the Manchester United fans, I dey happy, oh. I dey happy. Plenty, no be small. So I have to tell the fans they should not give up. They should keep it up. That for better, a good or bad, we will take it like that. You understand? No be say when he good, we clap, and when he bad, we go say we no come out road. More they believe say football is all about game, and football is more than a game. When we see the one we favor us, we clap and we don't see the one we favor us, we take it in good faith. So as I'm saying now, they did well. The guys are coming up with their form. And as they come, so make them come like that too, so that we go get joy to not be say you don't lose state for 2-3 matches. We will be happy. We go clap and for some time we will get sorrow. It's all about football. It's a game. But I give God the glory today has come to pass. For the glory of Manchester United, we still stand on our feet that it will come to pass again, the glory. Sometimes we sing glory to United, but now the song don't go far. We go try drag and back so that we go sing that glory. You understand? You be say when that glory no day, we go forget say no be everybody they chop rice every day. Sometimes some they chop breakstone, sometimes they chop chew well. Understand? My people they say chop through mouth one side, but chop sometimes put mouth one side too. So give God the glory for everything.
And more talk like we don't see 7-0 defeat against Barnsley. You think say when Manchester United fan not today overexcited because now against Barnsley?
No, Barnsley is sometimes big club. Now big club those years now. They should check me. They go check their years where they come out. Barnsley is a big club. Forget that circumstance. Being in relegation all this while or Division 2 or whatever. They still be big club. When they then come Premier League, they go see here people. Sometimes if you play football, don't take your opponent for granted. Receive them like you are going for war. You won't fight with your younger brother, pull them for granted, say you won't fight them, or you won't fight with your senior brother, no say you will stand fine. And if you beat your senior brother will beat you. That is the game of football. You don't just stand like that and say today, man, they go beat Everton 10-0. Everton come top give Man United 6-0. How will you say it? No team is too small, no team is too big, as I said earlier. And whatever I want to say, tomorrow is another day. We may still meet Barnsley. Maybe they may be better than us. And some of that time will start giving excuse say Man to get injury. We will not win. The day we go get injury too, we will not say the other people to get injury. If you can't 1, 2, 3 people, they will get injury inside that team. So more to depend on injury or focus on the coach. Sometimes it's the team that own the football. When you do the directive of the coach does not favor you, you do your own directive. Sometimes you struck outside the 18. Sometimes you do one thing or the other to cause one thing to cause penalty or free kick. It may come to be. So as I earlier said, not be every day man go to chew me too. Sometimes you chew Kanda. You understand? But today Manchester United they in fit. They get 7 goals. That 7 goals now they make the fans they happy. Some they go meet coach to sign for the banner. Some they carry jersey they go because he did well. He did well. He applied his senses well. And everything will come to be and must surely come to pass.
Now let's just talk about Rashford. A lot of criticism. 2 matches now, 3 goals. Now what's your thought? Maybe they die here or something like that. What's the brain behind it?
No, the guy has been a low kit this day. He's not fit, but they keep on forcing him to play matches. These matches must come out to play. When he come play, so sometimes he go do assist, sometimes he no go walk, sometimes he go play short, they go this other side. But now when on they fit, the ball is going well. I believe he has come back to his normal fitness.
Now let's talk about Manchester United as a whole. A lot of criticism for Erik ten Hag. You still believe say Erik ten Hag will still go forward?
As you can see, the discussion where they discuss Ten Hag and Roy Van Nistelrooy. When in talking, go ask him. We have since he came to Manchester United, we have never gotten 7 goals. Let us tell ourselves the truth. But Van Nistelrooy is good attacker during his days, and what is waiting they apply now. If they apply waiting go bring Man U back to striking force. The ball the way they play today, sef, I don't even know how to talk am. The ball it surprised me. Look at the tic tac, tac, setting of ball. Things just come to be, and I believe say me I no go fit praise Ten Hag for football. As in Manchester United, I can't praise him. I praise Rob Van Nistelrooy as the assistant coach. And during his time in PSV, you know what he's doing now? 7, 6, 8 goals. His lowest goal is 4 goals. So when you have a good coach that deal with attacking and deal with midfield, the game is over. They defend whether you carry me and you go stand for defend, no problem. Once the midfield is thick, good attacker, it's over. You cannot build attack defenders and you think about them midfield empty. Then you want the striker to score. It's not done that way. It's not done that way. You have to prepare coach by coach. As you prepare for the defense, you prepare for the midfield, you prepare for the attacker.